Hey MEA members, it's President Josh Buckley coming at you with a video message about some things we've got going on that I just wanted to talk to you about. So first up, we started our meet and confer process this last week on Monday. Members of MEA Education Association sit down with representatives of the school district and we talk about some working conditions, we talk about benefits and salary, and we try to solve some issues that are facing the district every year. It's a process that we go through. In order to represent you as teachers, we want to make sure that we have information from you, educators in the Mesa Public Schools District. So this week on Monday, I sent out a survey to everybody, to members to fill out, to give us some information about a handful of things. PBIS, PLC, the transfer process, what are some big issues facing you? We left some open-ended questions so that you can fill us in about what's going on in the district. So if you would please take that survey, I've linked it again in this email so that you can take it and let us know what's going on. We can't represent you at the meet and confer table unless we hear from you. We want to make sure that we're aware of what's going on in the district, so please fill that out. Share that with your teammates, send them the link, have them fill it out. The more responses we get, the better we can represent educators in Mesa. Also, if you want to attend one of those meetings, they are open to the public, and we love to have educators there behind us as we go through this process. It changes the mood in the room, it bolsters our team members who are there, and so if you'd like to attend, it's at 4:30 in the Mesa Public Schools boardroom. That's at Stapley and University, where the school board meetings are held. At 4:30 is when we have those, so bring some stuff. If you got some things you need to grade, come and hang out with us and listen to the process, and so you can be a part of what's going on. We'd love to see you there. So the next one that you can attend is February 12th. That's next Monday. That's the next meet and confer event. After that, it's March 5th is the next meeting. So set your calendar, set yourself a little reminder, come hang out with us. Even if you show up a little late, if you're not there till 5, you can still kind of squeak in and see what's going on and be a part of the process and hear the work that we're doing on behalf of teachers in the district. The other thing going on is we've opened up nominations for the AEA Delegate Assembly and the MEA Representative Assembly. If you'd like to participate, we can take 31 members to the AEA Delegate Assembly. That's in Scottsdale from May 11th through 12th. Teachers from across Arizona will come and represent their districts as we set forth the business for the Arizona Education Association. It's a democratic process. We vote on budgets, we vote on new business items, and it's a great opportunity for you to meet other MEA members and teachers across the state who are passionate about education and want to work to better education in the state of Arizona. So the form to fill out to nominate yourself or another member is in this email. The other event is this summer. It's the NEA-RA, the Representative Assembly, and that takes place in Minneapolis, Minnesota from June 30th to July 5th. We can take 5 members to that event, and we'd love to have some great members sign up, get themselves elected to that event, and come with us to Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm super excited to go. It's always a great opportunity. Thousands of teachers from across the country come to this event, and we do the same thing. We run the business of the National Education Association. The largest labor union in the United States has a very democratic process for how it runs itself, and you could be a part of that process. If you want to come with us and you want to try to get elected to that opportunity, please fill out the form to nominate yourself. Again, that's the NEA-RA from June 30th to July 5th, and then the AEA Delegate Assembly is May 11th through 12th in Scottsdale at the Scottsdale Resort. So more information in the email about both of those things, links for the meet and confer survey, and some links to nominate yourself or another member to represent the MEA at both of those events. Guys, I hope you have a great week. We're in the heart of second semester. Have a great one, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.